Hey there, my beautiful people. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're ready, because I've got something amazing to share with you. Today, we're making a super simple and super effective detox juice that's going to help you feel lighter, refreshed, and ready to tackle the day. This recipe is perfect if you're looking to shed a little weight, boost your energy, or just give your body a fresh start. Let's dive right in. All right, let me show you what we'll need. First up, 250 milliliters of ice-cold water. It's so refreshing and perfect for hydrating your body. Next, we've got half a carrot packed with vitamins that are amazing for your skin and eyesight. Then we have half an apple. It adds a touch of natural sweetness and gives you a nice dose of fiber to keep your digestion happy. Now, here's where the magic happens. Half a lemon for that zingy, citrusy kick. It's a powerhouse for boosting immunity and metabolism. And finally, 3 slices of fresh ginger. This little root right here is like a superhero for your tummy. It helps with digestion and fights inflammation. Let's get started. Okay, first things first. Let's chop up our carrot and apple into smaller pieces. No need to be fancy, just small enough to blend easily. Then, squeeze the juice out of half a lemon. You can use a juicer or just your hands, whatever works. And don't forget those 3 slices of ginger. They're going straight into the blender for that spicy kick. Now comes the fun part. Add everything into your blender. The carrot, the apple, the lemon juice, and those lovely ginger slices. Pour in your cold water, and we're all set. Time to blend. Let it go for about 3 minutes until everything is smooth and beautifully mixed. Look at that. Isn't this the most gorgeous color? It smells so fresh and inviting. I can't wait to try it. Oh, wow. This is incredible. It's tangy, refreshing, and has just the right amount of natural sweetness. Trust me, this juice is not only good for your body but also a treat for your taste buds. Now pause the video and jot down the ingredients and preparation steps. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and delicious detox juice that's going to help you feel amazing inside and out. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and happy.